Back pain. It's a universal language of discomfort, a shared experience that transcends age, occupation, and lifestyle. Whether you're a young athlete, a middle-aged office worker, or a senior enjoying retirement, back pain can strike at any time, affecting anyone. It's a reminder that our bodies, no matter how strong or resilient, have their limits. From a dull, persistent ache to a sharp, debilitating pain, back pain can cast a long shadow over our daily lives. It can start as a minor inconvenience, a slight twinge that we might ignore, hoping it will go away on its own. But often it doesn't. Instead, it grows, becoming a constant source of discomfort that we can't escape. It affects our ability to work, our enjoyment of leisure activities, and even our sleep. Imagine trying to focus on a task at work while a nagging pain distracts you, or attempting to enjoy a family outing but being unable to participate fully because of your back. Even the simple act of lying down to rest can become a challenge, as finding a comfortable position seems impossible. For many, back pain is a temporary annoyance, a fleeting reminder to adjust our posture or take a break from strenuous activity. It's a signal from our body telling us to slow down, to be mindful of how we move and sit. A quick stretch or a short walk might be all it takes to alleviate the discomfort. But for millions more, it's a chronic condition, a constant companion that limits mobility and impacts overall well-being. Chronic back pain can lead to a decrease in physical activity, which in turn can cause other health issues, such as weight gain and cardiovascular problems. It can also take a toll on mental health, leading to feelings of frustration, helplessness, and even depression. The good news is that back pain is often preventable and treatable. With the right approach, many people can find relief and regain their quality of life. This might include regular exercise to strengthen the muscles that support the spine, ergonomic adjustments to our workspaces, or therapeutic treatments such as massage and physical therapy. By understanding the common causes of back pain and adopting simple yet effective strategies, we can take control of our back health and reclaim our lives from the grip of this all-too-common ailment. Proper lifting techniques, maintaining a healthy weight, and staying active are just a few of the ways we can protect our backs. It's also important to listen to our bodies and seek professional help when needed. This essay will explore the multifaceted nature of back pain, delving into its causes, exploring practical solutions, and emphasizing the importance of seeking professional guidance when needed. We'll look at the latest research, hear from experts in the field, and share stories from those who have successfully managed their back pain. Together we'll uncover the keys to a healthier, pain-free back. Back pain rarely appears out of thin air. It's a common ailment that affects millions of people worldwide, and understanding its root causes can be the first step towards effective treatment and prevention. It's often the result of a combination of factors including lifestyle choices, underlying medical conditions, and everyday wear and tear. Our daily habits, from the way we sit to the activities we engage in, play a significant role in the health of our back. Let's shed light on some of the most prevalent culprits that contribute to back pain. By identifying these factors, we can take proactive steps to mitigate their impact. Poor posture, slouching, hunching over computers, and even prolonged standing can strain back muscles and lead to pain. In today's digital age, many of us spend hours in front of screens, often in positions that are not ergonomically friendly. Over time, this can lead to chronic discomfort and pain. Muscle strain, lifting heavy objects incorrectly, sudden movements, and overuse can all result in muscle strains or sprains, causing pain and stiffness. It's crucial to use proper techniques when lifting and to be mindful of our body's limits to avoid unnecessary strain. Herniated discs. These jelly-like cushions between our vertebrae can bulge or rupture, pressing on nerves and triggering back pain, often radiating down the leg. This condition can be particularly debilitating, affecting mobility and quality of life. Arthritis. Osteoarthritis, a common form of arthritis, can affect the spine, leading to pain, stiffness, and reduced range of motion. As we age, the wear and tear on our joints can exacerbate these symptoms, making everyday activities more challenging. Scoliosis. This sideways curvature of the spine can cause uneven muscle development and strain, potentially leading to back pain. Early detection and treatment are key to managing this condition and preventing further complications. Understanding these common causes of back pain empowers us to make informed decisions about our health. By adopting better posture, engaging in regular exercise, and seeking appropriate medical care, we can significantly reduce the risk of back pain and improve our overall well-being. Fortunately, there's a wealth of strategies to combat back pain and reclaim your comfort. These solutions range from simple lifestyle modifications to targeted exercises and therapies. Improve your posture. Stand tall, sit straight, and be mindful of your body mechanics throughout the day. Imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head. Stretch and strengthen. Gentle stretches can alleviate muscle tension, while core strengthening exercises provide essential support for your spine. Heat and cold therapy. Applying heat to sore muscles can relax them, while ice can reduce inflammation and numb pain. Therapeutic massages can work wonders in relieving muscle tension, improving blood flow, and promoting relaxation. Good posture isn't about looking stiff or formal. It's about positioning your body in a way that minimizes stress on your spine. Here are some posture pointers. Standing. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your weight evenly distributed on both feet, and your head level. Sitting. Choose a supportive chair, use a cushion if needed to maintain the natural curve of your lower back, and keep your feet flat on the floor. Lifting. Bend at your knees, not your waist, when lifting heavy objects. Keep the object close to your body and engage your core muscles. Sleeping. Choose a mattress that provides adequate support, and consider sleeping on your side with a pillow between your knees to align your spine. Building a fortress. Strengthening your core for support. In this section we will explore the importance of core strength and how it serves as the foundation for a healthy and resilient body. Your core muscles act as a natural corset, stabilizing your spine and protecting it from injury. These muscles include the transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, obliques, and the muscles of the lower back. When these muscles are strong, they work together to support your body during everyday activities and more strenuous physical tasks. Regular core strengthening exercises are crucial for preventing and alleviating back pain. By incorporating these exercises into your routine, you can improve your posture, enhance your balance, and increase your overall stability. This not only helps in reducing the risk of injuries, but also enhances your performance in various physical activities. Plank. Hold your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core muscles. This exercise is excellent for building endurance in your core, shoulders, and glutes. Ensure that your elbows are directly under your shoulders, and your body remains rigid throughout the hold. Start with short holds and gradually increase the duration. Begin with 10, 15 seconds and work your way up to a minute or more as your strength improves. Consistency is key, so aim to include planks in your routine several times a week. Bird dog. Start on your hands and knees, then extend one arm and the opposite leg, maintaining a straight line from fingertips to toes. This exercise helps improve balance and coordination while strengthening the core, lower back, and glutes. Keep your movements slow and controlled to maximize the benefits. Bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. This exercise targets the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, while also engaging the core muscles. It's a great way to activate and strengthen the posterior chain. Lift your hips off the ground, engaging your core and glutes. Hold the position for a few seconds before lowering your hips back down. Repeat this movement for several repetitions, focusing on maintaining a steady and controlled motion. Side plank. Support your body weight on one forearm and the side of your foot, keeping your body in a straight line. This exercise is particularly effective for targeting the obliques and improving lateral stability. Repeat on the other side. Aim to hold the position for 15-30 seconds on each side, gradually increasing the duration as you build strength. Incorporating side planks into your routine will help create a well-rounded core workout. Beyond the muscles addressing underlying conditions. While muscle imbalances and poor posture play a significant role in back pain, it's essential to address any underlying medical conditions that might be contributing to your discomfort. Herniated discs. Treatments range from conservative measures like pain medication and physical therapy, to more invasive options like surgery in severe cases. Arthritis. Managing arthritis often involves a combination of medication, physical therapy, and lifestyle modifications to reduce pain and maintain mobility. Stress. Stress can manifest physically, causing muscle tension and exacerbating back pain. Stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing can be immensely helpful. Inactivity. Leading a sedentary lifestyle weakens back muscles and increases the risk of pain. Engage in regular physical activity, even if it's just a brisk walk each day. When to seek expert help. Don't ignore the warning signs. While many cases of back pain respond well to self-care measures, it's crucial to seek professional medical advice if your pain is severe or persistent, your pain radiates down your leg or is accompanied by numbness or tingling, you experience weakness in your legs or feet, or you have a history of cancer, osteoporosis, or recent trauma. These symptoms could indicate a more serious underlying condition that requires prompt medical attention. Early diagnosis and treatment are essential for preventing further complications and ensuring the best possible outcome. Your back, your health, a lifelong commitment. Taking care of your back is not a one-time fix. It's an ongoing commitment to making healthy choices that support your spine throughout your life. Embrace these habits. Stay active by engaging in regular exercise that strengthens your core, improves flexibility, and maintains a healthy weight. Listen to your body by paying attention to pain signals and taking breaks when needed. Avoid activities that exacerbate your pain. Maintain a healthy weight because excess weight puts added stress on your spine. Aim for a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise. And create an ergonomic workspace by ensuring your chair, desk, and computer setup promote good posture and minimize strain on your back. Finding relief. Finding you personalized strategies for success. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution for back pain. The most effective approach is often a personalized combination of strategies tailored to your individual needs and lifestyle. Experiment with different exercises, therapies, and lifestyle modifications to discover what works best for you. Keep a journal to track your progress, noting what brings relief and what triggers your pain. Don't hesitate to consult with healthcare professionals such as doctors, physical therapists, and chiropractors to develop a comprehensive plan that addresses your specific concerns. Join the conversation. Share your back pain journey with us. Back pain can be isolating, but remember, you're not alone in this journey. Share your experiences, tips, and questions in the comments below this video. By fostering a supportive community, we can learn from each other, offer encouragement, and navigate the path toward a pain-free life together.